Hey everyone, in today's episode, we're going to learn how to use the Layer Explorer in 3ds Max. The Layer Explorer is a fantastic tool for organizing your scene using layers instead of hierarchies. To open the Layer Explorer, click the Toggle Layer Explorer button on the main toolbar. By default, it appears at the bottom of the command panel, but is really compact and not visible. It is possible to make it wider, but I recommend to unlock it by going to Customize, Unlock the UI, then grab the Layer Explorer and drag it to a different side. Once is where you want it, lock the UI again. The Layer Explorer shows all the layers in your scene. These layers allow you to manage groups of objects at the same time. For example, hiding, freezing, or selecting all objects within a layer. For example, this layer called a structure. I can quickly hide it or show it by clicking the eye icon, or freeze it and unfreeze it by using the snowflake icon. Creating a new layer is really easy. Just click the New Layer button. Anything you create in Max will be placed into the current active layer, which is indicated with a blue icon. In a new scene, the default layer is layer 0. We can move multiple objects to a new layer by selecting the objects, like for example, this chair, and clicking the Create New Layer button on the Layers Explorer toolbar. We can then see that all have been moved to a new layer. Don't forget to rename it. 3ds Max allows to use nested layers, but I recommend to keep the layer structure as simple as possible, with all layers at the root level of the scene. This can help you to avoid confusion and keep an organized project. Something we need to remember is that after creating a new layer, it becomes the active layer, but it's a good practice to switch back to layer 0 to avoid placing new objects in the wrong layer. Back to the chairs layer, we can see how quickly we can hide or freeze these objects. Now, let's imagine a huge scene with furniture, lights, wall, and vegetation. Without layers, managing that scene can be really complicated. The Layer Explorer is a simple but really powerful tool. Play around with it, and remember to always go back to your default layer to avoid surprises. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And thank you for watching.